why your real estate business isn't growing, not what you think. Hey gang, today I'm going to talk about exactly why your real estate business is not growing. I don't care if you're an investor or if you're a real estate agent. I don't care if you're trying to wholesale, you're trying to be a landlord, you're trying to do fix and flips, you're trying to do lease options. The primary reason why your real estate business is not growing is, drum roll, leads. Now, there are going to be so many gurus out there that are going to confuse you, they're going to confuse you. They're going to muddy up the waters. They're going to make you think that you're going to need the exit strategy. You're going to need the contract. You're going to need X, Y, and Z, right? And I'm here to tell you, someone that has never had a job since high school. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. I've started multiple businesses, from moving company, computer business, car wash business, restaurant business. I had a lot of failures and I have a lot of successes, right? And I can tell you, I've never borrowed any money from any bank or credit card to start any of my businesses. And I did that because I always had the lead before I started the business. So it's very, very crucial. If you're not growing your real estate business, I don't care if you're a wholesaler, a real estate investor, or an agent, it's because you don't have enough leads. Now, let's say you're a brand new real estate investor. You don't know anything. You don't know how to talk to sellers. You don't have the contract. You don't know the strategies. In my opinion, that's okay. But if you have 20 leads, if you have 50 leads, if you have 100 leads, people knocking on your door, okay, trying to sell your home, your odds of success dramatically increase by, I would say, 1,000%, okay? At that time, when people are knocking on your door, you have 100 leads, or 50 leads, 20 leads knocking on your door. At that time, you'll figure out how to talk to a seller. You'll figure out what a motivated seller is. You'll figure out what kind of paperwork you need. You're going to figure out what kind of ways to structure a deal, okay? And at the same time, while you're learning how to figure those stuff out, you have a deal right in front of you. While most gurus and most students do the opposite. They spend all their life energy trying to learn all the information out there. How to fill out a contract, how to set up automation, how to do outsourcing, how to do structuring a deal, how to do lease options, how to do subject to, how to do this. They spend all their time learning and becoming a master of information, right? But they never have what really matters to a real estate business. You can't have a business without customers. And in a real estate investing business, your customers are your leads. So if you got no leads and you have a wealth of information, you're not doing any deals. So to simplify it, guys, leads. If you're not growing your business, it's because you don't have leads. If you have only one lead, then your odds of success is very slim. I don't care if you're a real estate agent and you're trying to get a listing, or if you're a wholesaler, if you're a landlord. But if you have 100 people knocking on your door, then your odds of success dramatically increases, because now you have the ability to say, look, I don't want to work with this seller. This seller's not too motivated. This seller's super motivated. And now you have the ability to understand what a motivated seller is, have the options of which sellers you want to work for versus begging a seller to go with you. And that's the key. Lead. Now, if you're interested in learning how to generate free leads, which is what I do, I'm the king of free leads, guys, okay? I've been using creativity and imagination since high school to start all my business with free leads. Then you may consider downloading the Flipping Wednesdays, okay? You can go to myrealestatedojo.com and download it, okay, and pay for it. Or you can get it for free when you join my academy, guys. Again, you can get it for free. It's a $1,000 course. You can get it for free when you join the academy, and because I want you to succeed. And what Flipping Wednesdays does is teaches you how to find motivated sellers. The key is motivated sellers. We just don't want any leads. We want the cream of the cream. We want motivated sellers. It teaches you how to find these motivated sellers. It teaches you how to filter them to find the cream of the cream motivated sellers, all for free, right through your computer or tablet or iPad or cell phone. You don't have to drive nowhere. You don't have to spend any money. So there's a lot of people that can tell you do bandit signs, do direct mail, do letters, do Facebook ad, that all costs money, right? But wouldn't it be great if you can find people in your backyard locally that want to sell their home, list it as an agent, or let you buy it as a subject to, or sell it to you at a deep discount, or whatever the story is, and you had a line of these people lined up for you. That's what Flipping Wednesday is. When you join my academy for just $97 a month, guys, not only do you get my best-selling course, Flipping Wednesdays, where I teach you how to find sellers for free in your backyard, right through your cell phone or computer. You also get a live consultation with me, which I charge $750. You get it totally for free, which I talk to you and I create you a business plan, a marketing plan that helps you with the time you have and the resources you have. On top of that, I give you access to our monthly coaching, right? And on top of that, you get the Mother course, which is 171 chapters of everything you need to know about real estate, from cold calling to negotiation, on how to give offers, how to talk to sellers, how to filter sellers, how to do leases, how to do options, how to do subject to, how to do creative financing. Everything you can imagine is 171 chapters. I sell this course for $3,500. You can get it for free when you join the academy. Limited time, guys, just for a limited time. So again, join the academy. You get the Mother course, you get the Flipping Wednesdays, you get a live consultation with me, and then you get so much more stuff. So there's going to be a link below. Go check it out, okay? And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Don't take no for an answer, guys. Click the like button, share this message, leave me a comment below. Be your dreams. Peace.